Hey everyone, and thanks for jumping back into the cryptoverse. Today it's time for an update on ADA, a run for the record books. If you guys like the content, please subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, also check out the Telegram channel, which you can find a link to in the description below. We put out a video a long time ago talking about how this would likely be a phenomenal market cycle for ADA. We were covering it at less than 2 cents. Now we're looking at almost a 54-cent ADA. Now, one of the things, if you remember, if you think back to what happened last cycle, ADA went from 2 cents to 13 cents in a relatively short period of time. Then it went from 13 to 39. And then it went from 39 to like 76 before finally breaking out to like $1.38. Now, we're not saying that the exact same thing's going to happen, but we have seen some similarities. We were at 2 cents for a while down here. Then we systematically consolidated around 13 cents for a while. Then we systematically went up to 39 cents for a while. You know, you can see these are the areas where we spend a decent amount of our time, right? This is the 13 cent area. This would be the 39 cent area. The next area that ADA went to last cycle, not to say that we have to go there this time, would be the 76 cent area. That is what I'm looking for at this point for ADA. I mean, I think this is a phenomenal move for ADA. Remember, this is and always has been my primary hedge against Ethereum. The reason is because there's a lot of room in the space, and you know, with Ethereum, I love it, right? And everyone uses it, but you don't want to put all your eggs in one basket, right? There are some things that Ethereum does need to overcome. Again, Ethereum is a much less risky investment, but I told you guys a long time ago the reason I hold ADA as a hedge against Ethereum, but because I'm paying for more risk by holding ADA, I expect it to give me a higher return than Ethereum does. And you can see that in fact that is the case. As measured from the bottom in March, the only coin that we followed, out of the coins we followed on the channel, and I mean a lot of these coins I don't have, but out of the coins I've mentioned on the channel and showed you guys, look which one has performed the best since market cycle bottom. It's ADA. And in fact, the second best one right now is Ethereum. I understand you guys might have some pet projects that have outperformed, but the point is to say ADA is putting in the gains that we wanted it to put in to justify holding it, okay? And you can see it's trending up as we speak. It's now approaching 55 cents. I will take this time to remind you that we have a premium list sale going on, altcoin season sale. We'll let it go for about 10 more days or so. Make sure you check it out if you want access to how I'm handling the markets, if you want access to weekly reports, weekly videos, the risk dashboard, Telegram alerts channel. Check out the description below for the link to the premium list altcoin season sale. Now, we should take a look at the ADA Ether valuation because we've seen that it peaks at around the same level, at least in the bear market in the accumulation phase. In order for us to get there, ADA needs to increase in value by about 70, well, let's go to the bottom of it. Needs to increase in value by about 66% more against Ethereum, which would be a pretty significant move against Ethereum. Another 66% move, not against USD, but against Ether. So if we get to that level, it's not to say we can't go above it, because you could argue that this is a bull market and that April of 2018, April of 2019, and July of 2020 were not bull markets, whereas December 2017 was. So maybe this is one of those times where it's systematically different and it is able to go back above it just like it did back in this bull market. However, if it were to reach this region, I would become exceedingly cautious on the short-term implications of that. If you look at the ADA Bitcoin valuation, I told you guys over a year ago that this was my main accumulation mode for ADA against Bitcoin. A few weeks ago, we said, hey, it's given us another opportunity. I DCA'd some more into ADA. It's time to let it, at this point, I'm just letting it fly. I'm letting it see where is it going to take me? Where are we going to end up? I'm excited to see where ADA is ultimately going to take us. We're essentially back near the level that we were at not that long ago. So hopefully we can get past this level and start trending up to some of these higher levels that we haven't visited in quite a long period of time. ADA, a run for the record books. Okay, and let's put on our bull market support band. We are well above it against USD. I know that we're above it against Bitcoin as well. So you can see it's right here. I have not checked Ether, actually. Let's check it. we're above it as well. And look at this. When we got above it, we're starting to really move quickly here. The ADA valuation is now 55 cents. What a time for ADA. If you guys like the if you guys like the content, subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, check out the Telegram channel, which you can find a link to in the description below. And remember, we are having the altcoin season sale. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you next time. Bye.